Hey friends, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series that is running into my channel. You can check the playlist into my channel and also check the description box after the video ends. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So today we are going to learn how to round a number to the nearest multiple. So watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So let's start. Friends, at first I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. If you need to round a number to the nearest specified multiple, example, round a number to the nearest dollar or anything else, you can use the MROUND formula. In this example, the formula will be like this. Look at here carefully friends. Equals to MROUND, then open the first bracket, then it is asking for the number. Here you have to give the criteria of the number which you want to be multiplied. Then put a comma here. Then here it is asking for multiple. That means you can put 5 here or you can put the dedicated cell number here. In my case I am writing here C6 so that it could be multiplied by the C6 or number 5. Then close the first bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing result as 25. That means the nearest multiple of 23.39 is 25. In the next cell we are going to give the criteria as 10 so that the result will be shown as 20. That means the nearest multiple of 10 is 20. You can look at here carefully. 20 is the nearest multiple of 10 of this number. In this cell the nearest multiple will be of number 1. So I am just putting the formula here like this. So the nearest multiple is here as 23. So let's check how this formula actually works. MROUND, this tells Excel to take the value in B6 and round it to the nearest multiple of the value in C6 as given as the criteria. The result is shown as 25 since 25 is the nearest multiple of 5 to 23.39. You can use the MROUND formula to round prices, times, instruments readings or any other numeric values. Note that MROUND always rounds the nearest value using the specified multiple. If you need to round either up or down using a multiple, use the ceiling or floor functions. I will make the part 2 or part 3 of this video soon. So that's all for today, friends. See you soon, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like this video and learned a new trick of Excel formula. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting, and stay tuned.